welcome to Bake It Happen. I'm the hostess Janelle. Today we're making vegan, very ripe banana muffins. And the things you need is 1.5 cup of flour, 8 very ripe bananas, 6 tablespoons of canola oil, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of chocolate chips, or I use Carob chips, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. And the first thing we do is grease our pans. Take a muffin tin, some muffin liners, and some spray. Or I use the Kirkland canola oil. Okay, I filled up all of my cupcakes with my spray. I put my cupcake thing in the pan. And so next we're going to make the cupcakes. Mash bananas, shortening sugar, mashed bananas. I need to mash my bananas. And I'm going to use a potato masher. Okay, I'm done mashing all of my bananas, and now they should look like baby food. Now I'm going to add them to my stand mixer. Put them in my stand mixer. Okay, now I got my bananas. Now I'm going to add my canola oil, my salt, and my sugar. And beat until well combined. Now I'm going to add my vanilla while it's still beating and make it until it's well combined. Okay, my banana mixture is all done beating. And now, I'm just going to take it off for now. And now I'm going to sift my flour, baking soda, and baking powder together. Okay, I sifted my flour, baking soda, and baking powder all into my thing, and then I'm going to beat until well combined. Okay, my batter is all done, but now I'm going to add my Carob chips into my batter. Until well combined. Okay, my batter is all done, and it looks amazing. Okay. Now, I'm going to take an ice cream or a cookie scoop, and I'm just going to scoop them in. Cupcake liner, my cupcake pan, and now I'm going to put them in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. My timer's done, and now I'm going to poke them with a toothpick. once you know it's done, it only should have a few crumbs. And then once it's done, have a few crumbs, and then you know they're all ready. Thanks for watching Bake It Happen. Please press the like button and the subscribe button. I hope you enjoy the Carob muffins, and thanks for watching, and bye!